Hi, kabayan! Kumusta? Ako nga pala si Ames, isang Filipino-Canadian living here in Alberta. Like many of you, dumaan din ako sa stress, ng dami ng bayarin, responsibilidad sa pamilya, at iniisip kung paano makapag-retire ng maaga na hindi kapos. But as of now, I'm here with this beautiful view. I'm just sightseeing here in Yuhu National Park. At alam ko yung feeling na kahit anong sipag mo, parang kulang pa rin. Sometimes you wonder hanggang kailan ganito. But here's the good news. May paraan. Last year, after I go back to school and after my practicum, while I'm looking my field career of study, I found a global digital business built here in Canada. It's Canadian built platform. At first, doubtful din ako, wala akong background sa sales or tech, and honestly, I was shy. Pero nakita ko kung paano nakatulong ito sa maraming tao. Kapwa nating Pilipino, single parents, immigrants, breadwinners, people just like you and me. And you know what? Everything is a step by step with mentorship and training included. You don't need to be picky and you don't need to self to family and friends. That's the one I really like this because I'm so shy of offering something to family. This business runs online 24/7 kahit busy ka, sa trabaho or with your kids, it works in the background for you. And this is the best part. Like as a busy single individual, if you ever dream of more freedom, time to travel, spend more moments with family, or just breath without stressing about bills, this could be your open door. I took a leap of faith and now I'm mentoring others to do the same. Hindi mo kailangan maging expert. You just need to be willing to learn and take that first step. So, if this resonates with you, I invite you to watch our free webinar. No pressure, just information, and who knows, baka ito na ang sagot sa mga panalangin mo. This is 100% legit. Tama po yung narinig nyo. Tax registered and global. Starts today and create the life you always dream of. Bye! See you inside. God bless.